Hello everyone, today I will show you what is inside fake and real Nike Air Force One. So let's go.
The back of the sneakers is made much better than in the fake ones. The lining between the firm and the heel of a sneaker in real sneaker is thin and firm. On fake sneakers it's thick and sticky. Below we see the same layers of glued pleather. The beginning of the sole of real Nike Air Force One is the same thickness. In fake sneakers, the thickness of the sole increases toward the bottom. So let's see what is inside the sole. As seen in the sole of real Nike Air Force One, there are air units, which soften the sensation of walking. There is a solid piece of hard foam in fake sneakers in the sole. The foam rubber of real sneakers is soft, and fake sneakers are hard. Air units as soft foam allow you to soften your walking. Also, all the components of the sole are of high quality and well glued to each other. The inner thumb of fake sneakers is very weakly glued in only one place, and it is very easy to get it. The front lining of the real sneakers has thick foam. Also, the eyelet in the upper part of the toe of the sneakers are not covered with anything. It allows the leg to breathe. In fake Nike Air Force One, holes of the upper part of the toe of the sneakers are sealed with thick sheet, making it harder to wick moisture out of sneaker. Now let's move on to the tongue of the sneakers. We can see two parallel stitched lines from the inside of the tongue. There is only one on fake ones. There is no seam on fake Nike Air Force One. Also, in the inner part of real sneakers, we see the line stitches that goes from the eyelet of the laces to the sole. There is no stickers on fake sneakers. In real sneakers, the sole is stitched with one layer of thread. Fake Naki Air Force One is stitched with double stitching. These are all my main features and difference between real and fake Nike Air Force 1. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any question, please ask in the comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!